Today, I'll show you how to create a Windows password reset USB drive that you can plug into your computer, boot from, and use to easily reset or remove any Windows login password or PIN, completely free. Just follow the instructions in this video carefully, and by the end, you'll have successfully reset your password or PIN. So, let's get started. I've switched to a different computer, and the first thing we need to do is download a special ISO file that we'll use for the password reset process. Open your browser and search for BootCD. Click the first result that appears. Next, go to the download section at the top of the page and click download. Scroll down until you see the Hirens Boot USB ISO file, then click it to begin downloading. The file is around 3.1 GB in size, so depending on your internet speed, it may take a few minutes to finish downloading. Once the download is complete, search for Rufus in your browser. This is the tool we'll use to create our bootable USB drive. Scroll down, and download the latest version of Rufus. After both files have finished downloading, open your Downloads folder. Make sure you're using a USB flash drive with at least 8 GB of storage. Launch Rufus by double-clicking the file, and click Yes. The Rufus window will appear. At the top, you'll see your connected USB drive. Click Select, browse to the ISO file you just downloaded, select it, and click Open. If your computer on which you forgot the password is about 10 years old, then most likely you need to choose MBR. Then simply click Start. You'll receive a warning letting you know that all data on the USB drive will be erased. If there's anything important on the drive, be sure to back it up first. Click OK, and Rufus will begin creating the bootable USB drive. The process should only take a few minutes. Once it's finished, your bootable USB drive is ready, and you can close Rufus. If we open File Explorer, you'll see that the USB drive now contains all the necessary boot files. Everything has been copied successfully, and we're now ready to reset the password. Connect the Windows USB drive to the computer and reboot it. Immediately after the reboot begins, press a certain key on the keyboard to open the boot menu. I pressed the F12 key. For you it could be EB, F8, F9, F11, F12, or some other key. There is no single standard and different computers may have different keys to call the boot menu. The boot menu opens. Find the installation USB flash drive in the boot menu. Press Enter. The necessary files will start loading automatically. This process may take a few minutes, so please be patient. Once everything has finished loading, you'll see that we've successfully booted into the Hirens Boot environment. As you can see, it looks and feels very similar to the Windows 10 desktop, and now we're ready to reset or remove the login password. Click the Windows icon, and go to All Programs. Here, you'll find a variety of useful tools for troubleshooting and repairing Windows. Next, go to the Security folder, and find the Passwords section. Click Windows Login Unlocker, and a window will appear displaying all user accounts found on this computer. Right-click the account for which you want to reset the password. In my case, I'll select Malik, then click Reset Password. Click OK, and the password will be removed. That's it, we're done. To exit Hirens Boot, simply restart your computer. After rebooting, the lock screen appeared. I clicked Sign In, and I was able to access Windows without entering a password. I hope the process went just as smoothly for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.